my Jeffries. I am going on the boat today. Last time I went on the sand dunes, I broke my butt. And so yeah, today for this vlog, look.
I got 2 phones. One for Snapchat, one for vlog.
Colin, that your pooping video?
No, it's cool.
What pooping video? Oh, we're gonna get copyright on here, Mom. Mom, turn it down. We're gonna get copyright. Still. In the air. Come on, you can record it, can't you? No. What? You can do that. Happy 4th of July, peoples. Pew 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 pew.
See, this is the real Jeffrey. Oh, never mind. Colin. What's up, my Jeffries? I'm here. I'm shirtless and I got nice nipples. And here's this person and this person. Wave. Say hi. Talk.
Hi.
Yeah, talk.
I don't like you guys.
This nice view, my Jeffries. Ew. Okay, look at this nice view, my Jeffries. You can see that guy over here. There, he's mean, but what's up, my Jeffries? I'm swole. Huh? Huh? She's dead. He's not dead.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor, yeah. Not sponsored, whatever. Jump off for the vlog. Go.
Yeah.
Right now, jump. Got that big cloud maker up there with the dark clouds. Hey, do you think you could drink the water?
Yep.
Okay, go drink it.
Nope.
Sucking on that? Getting some practice.
Everything on the boat's lava.
For 20 seconds. Got a cameraman? Hey, you hear that cow?
Yeah, I heard it.
Yeah. You hear the cow?
You hear the
Yeah.
cow?
Whoa! Oh my god.
Oh, everything just got soaked.
You're a vlogger now.
Yep.
Now just turn the camera around. Just. There you go.
Is that good? Is
Yeah.
that how you do it?
Talk now.
Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, God. I almost dropped it.
Oh my god, that
Yeah,
was
you might
so
wanna take
close.
that.
Yeah, I don't know how that got so wet. How did it get so wet? How? It's gonna go scare the birdies. Or not the birdies, they're my friends. Scare the birdies! Scare the birdies! Scare them! Scare the birdies! Well, that was a fun. By
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, it did.
The bird
Oh my God, it's all in your hair.
just pooped on me.
Are you vlogging?
God sakes! The bird pooped in my hair for the first.
Wait, let me get a close up. Just all in his hair.
That's gross.
Now he's got to wash it off.
Water mode. Yes, really? You're on the vlog. Why are you fart? Why are you relaxing on the boat when you could be relaxing on the beach? I'm gonna tell you. Good? Hey, Andrew.
Not doing anything.
On the boat. Calvin? Oh yeah, Calvin came here, but we were in the water, so yeah. I couldn't vlog. You weren't there because you stayed on the boat. Yeah. Calvin, we went there. Came here on the boat, and there's a whole bunch of other boats. And very windy. There's a lot of boats over there. He pointed that out, and he's gonna watch some. What are you watching? Porn? What?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Drone, you see the drone? Drone. See the drone? Yeah, drone.
Hey, try dabbing. Did you hear that cow moo? Wait. Did you hear the cow moo? Hang on. Yeah, what the heck is that? The cow moo. Do you hear that? Whoa, wait. Yeah, say hi to the Jeffries. There's 7 people.
Good morning. Now you're on the vlog again. So how's your nap? Fine, just ignore me. Whatever. So big. Okay, so guess what, my Jeffries? I'm done at the beach now because that was boring.
Very boring! Oh my god, my face is red.
Look at me. I'm red.
You're pink, not red.
Oh, it hurts. I'm red. I'm a redneck now. See, now my hair looks even more nice because it's. I don't know. I had a brain fart.
And you want to see his beautiful nipples, guys.
It's better than man boobs like Carmen.
Hard I try. What the heck?
So I'm home now. Yeah, I might as well do one sick transition while I'm here. So just get ready for this. I'm gonna fly into my house. 1, 2, and yeah, I got a really bad sunburn. It hurts extremely bad. So 1, well yeah, let's just do it. Oh wait, I think we can redo that. Let's just do it. Let's just redo it. Whoa! Okay, that transition was pretty cool. I'm home now. Yeah, so my sunburn, yeah, hurts. Oh, I'm here with my dogs. Thank you guys for 80 subscribers, by the way. Thank you for 80 subscribers. I couldn't appreciate it more. Yeah. So this is how I'm gonna end my vlog. Goodbye, my Jeffries. Wait, stop. Just stay up. Goodbye.